Hello everyone, my name is Anushka Pun and I am going to present on the topic of distinction between concept like cost estimation and cost ascertainment, cost allocation and cost apportionment, and cost reduction and cost control. Difference between cost estimation and cost ascertainment. Cost estimation and cost ascertainment. Cost estimation is the process of predetermining the cost of a certain product, job, or order, and cost ascertainment is the process of determining cost on the basis of actual data. The computation of historical cost is cost ascertainment. The computation of future cost is cost estimation. Difference between cost allocation and cost apportionment. Cost allocation meaning allocation of cost implies the entire distribution of the overhead items to the departments on a logical basis, and apportionment of cost refers to distribution of various overhead items in proportion to the department on a logical basis. Represents it represents that part of cost attribution which charges a particular cost to a cost unit, and cost apportionment represents that part of cost attribution which shares cost among multiple cost units in the proportion of expected benefit received. Cost allocation distribution directly assigned to the department, cost apportionment proportionately assigned to different departments. Cost allocations application when the overhead belongs to a specific department, and cost apportionment when the overhead belongs to different departments. Difference between cost control and cost reduction. Meaning, cost control technique used for maintaining the cost as per the set standard is known as cost control. Cost reduction, a technique used to economize the unit cost without lowering the quality of the product, is known as cost reduction. Savings N cost control, total cost, cost reduction, cost per unit. Cost control, retention of quality, not guaranteed. Cost reduction, guaranteed. Cost control, nature temporary. Cost reduction, permanent. Cost control, emphasis on past and present cost. Cost reduction, present and future cost. Ends when cost control, the predetermined target is achieved, and cost reduction, no end. Type of function. Cost control is preventive and cost reduction is corrective. Thank you.